Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 8a, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you should have a power saver, or battery saver as it's called right here, and for me it's on the second page right here. Once you see it, you can tap on it. This will bring up this window right here, welcome to battery saver, and we can select two different modes. So we have the standard battery saver and extreme battery saver. Now standard one limits visual effects, background activities, turns on dark theme, and if not already on. Okay, so basically turns on dark theme if it isn't enabled already. Now this is temporary, it's not gonna enable it permanently, so once you disable the power saving mode, it will re-enable light mode if that is what you were using. Now the extreme battery saver does a little bit more, so includes all changes listed above, plus also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. Non-essential apps is basically everything else outside of dialer and the messages. So any kind of email fetching and all that stuff will be basically paused, and as long as you're not using the device or deliberately going into it to check if you have some kind of new emails as an example, you won't get them. Anyway, I will enable both of them just so you can see the difference between those two, because it is quite drastic. So normal battery saver doesn't really have much of a difference in terms of appearance. It does make the display a little bit dimmer. As you can see, the wallpaper behind is dimmer for some reason, and it's also paused. So this was an animated one, it's not anymore. Now if I now go back in here and okay, so it doesn't show up again, so I'm gonna hold it and I switch to the extreme battery saver. As you can see, it basically disables applications. This is the first time I'm seeing such an effect right here. Typically it will also remove your wallpapers and all that stuff and limit the usability of the device. It does limit it, but in a different kind of way, so it shows your application, but they're just grayed out so you can't use them. Anyway, once you're done with either one of those modes, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Now when you select one of those modes, either the normal power saving mode or the extreme one, and you turn it off, the next time you turn it on, it's going to re-enable the last enabled one, which for me the last one was extreme, so it re-enabled it when I tapped on it again. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.